Hey friends, if your Nissan Rogue displays AWD error, it means the vehicle has detected a problem with the all-wheel drive system. Nissan describes this message as an indication that the AWD system isn't functioning properly and recommends reducing speed and having the system checked. The cause can involve the AWD control unit, rear drive components, sensors, wiring, or a related vehicle control system. It's also important to distinguish this from the separate AWD high temp message, which can temporarily switch the vehicle to 2WD during heavy wheel slip. Before replacing expensive AWD components, try these specific checks. Step 1. Check whether the AWD mode indicator changes when switching between available drive modes. Step 2. Inspect the rear differential area for fresh fluid residue or physical impact. Step 3. Check the AWD control unit wiring for loose connectors or damaged harness sections. Step 4. Look for ABS, chassis control, or engine system messages appearing alongside the AWD message.